Introducing the 2025 Mercedes AMG GLE 63 Coupe 900 by Mansory, a creation that seamlessly blends unmatched power, cutting-edge technology, and extraordinary luxury. With a starting price of $450,000, this bespoke SUV is for those who demand the ultimate in exclusivity. Engine and performance. The Mansory tuned 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine delivers awe-inspiring performance. Output 900 horsepower, torque 1,250 Newton meters, acceleration 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.2 seconds, top speed a blistering 320 kilometers per hour. The P900 doesn't just transport, it exhilarates. Exterior design. With Mansory's custom exterior, the GLE 63, Coupe P900 commands attention. A striking carbon fiber wide body kit, engineered for maximum aerodynamics. A bold front splitter, sculpted side skirts, and an aggressive rear diffuser enhance its presence and performance. Redesigned front LED headlights with Mansory's angular styling for cutting-edge aesthetics. Sleek rear tail lights featuring a continuous LED strip for a futuristic, unforgettable look. Riding on 23-inch forged wheels, this beast is built to conquer both roads and imaginations. Exhaust and sound. Mansory's custom quad exhaust system isn't just functional, it's an auditory experience. Its deep, commanding tone turns every drive into a symphony of power. Interior and comfort. The interior is a sanctuary of opulence. Handcrafted leather upholstery stitched to perfection. Mansory's signature carbon fiber accents, seamlessly integrated throughout the cabin. Customizable ambient lighting for a personalized atmosphere. A cutting-edge digital cockpit and infotainment system ensure you're always in control. Every detail is tailored to offer unmatched luxury, exclusivity, and price. Starting at $450,000, the 2025 Mercedes AMG GLE 63 Coupe P900 by Mansory is as rare as it is powerful. With limited production, each unit is a testament to individuality, crafted for those who dare to own the extraordinary. Love what you see? Stay tuned for more luxury car features, reviews, and the latest in automotive excellence. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join us on this journey of speed, style, and innovation.